This is the African Proud Head Wrap from Lanaola.com. What we're doing now is folding it horizontally. You fold it once and then once again. So you're folding it into 4. You're going to put it towards the back of your head, bring it to the front, make sure the front is even. Then you're going to cross it across the front just like that. You pull it to the back of your head. You are going to knot it once. Bring the end around to the side of your head, tuck it under. And then you're going to bring the other side around to the front, and you can either tuck it under or you can tuck it over. So this is sort of like a headband, a head wrap styled like a headband. How cute is that? And that's it. LisaLanaola.com, African Proud Head Wrap.